is Diva.
And my name is Claire.
And today we have Seoulbox number, is this 10 or 9? I don't even know anymore. I don't count. You probably already know. But yeah, this might be our last one. We'll have to find something else to unbox for food-wise. Yeah, so let's find out what we got in this box today.
And enjoy it.
Oh no!
Exactly like the same thing.
Another? This is the exact same box. We got a duplicate. What should we do? Does that all look familiar?
Yes, that peanut butter one. This one, we literally still have this one. Wait, we still...
So anyway, we're just gonna eat whatever apparently in this video because we got a duplicate box.
No!
It's their spring box, the little from the pink one before, but it looks like we got something special.
Yay, we got another, but I don't really like this stuff. Like,
did you like this one?
Like, this is like stuff from like all of our boxes.
I liked this. This was the...
I don't remember. And remember this?
Yeah.
This is literally fun.
And then now we both have one.
Maybe we could do on a tiny.
We'll have to try it.
This is new.
This is the one that we were missing in the other box. That other box, right? This is what they took out. You remember? The tteokbokki snack. So I finally get to try this. I'll have to try another time though, because you have to make it. And it looks like you get to make a nice egg. Maybe I can make a soft boiled egg or something. But yeah, there's these coffee cookie things again.
And then this, maybe we can just try it again and see if we like it.
Well, I don't want to open some of this stuff because we already have some opened already in the cabinet that we need to finish. These little like cinnamon twist ones.
Oh, it's a strawberry one.
Mmm. What is this one? Did we have this one before?
That looks like peach.
So I'm going to look up this tteokbokki one because I want to be able to tell you.
Oh, and this butter sticks. This ring.
Yeah, this is the rice cake jellies and with tteokbokki seasoning.
Oh, Mom. We got that. Another face mask.
Yep.
This again. Ew.
I know you didn't like the sweet potato stick.
Dunkin'.
Yeah, we got the strawberry cream cheese sandwich cookies.
Brownies.
Yeah.
And another one of these.
So if you liked this stuff before, you get to like it now. So maybe we can, and I tried this in a video already, but I added a second one now. I don't mind a repeat. I don't know if I paid twice. I don't know.
You literally already have one of these.
Well, now you have one of these.
No, remember I had one. You got me there was another one little box.
Oh, okay.
I guess we have a third one.
We have extra.
I think I know who.
Yeah. I can give it to somebody as a present.
We can have this for like at the end. We're gonna have.
Do you want this little brownie thing again?
Yes. Oh, I want to try the peanut butter one.
Yeah.
Guys, I guess because this is the last box.
We're just going to go to town. Maybe we can, maybe we'll just eat a couple of these, save the ones that aren't open, and then eat some more of the other snacks that we haven't showed you.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
So we'll have like a mashup.
Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Good. I really do like brownies, by the way. I like brownies. Good. So sometime we will eat both of these in a video, and we're gonna try it. But first we have to get milk. We're gonna have this at the end. Like after we do the rest of the snacks. So. I want to try this again. I like this.
This is our lunch.
My favorite. My mom has a lot of videos to edit.
Mhm. Oh yeah, this is the Dunkin' one. The coffee.
I want to try this again.
Yeah, that was good, wasn't it?
Oh, I don't really like these.
I'm so happy I have these. I ate the other ones really fast, so now I have more. And that's the good thing about double.
And now I have another mask.
Mhm.
Banana. Very good.
Mhm.
Like, this is like mixed up. Like, this was not from that box over there. This was from a different box. And this one too.
This one wasn't from the spring box.
I don't think so.
This one wasn't from the spring box because this one was from the box that we had the customs agent going through. They got rid of it completely. We didn't receive it at all. And I was sad. You'll see that video soon. I'll put them up, but I was sad in it.
So now we're going to eat the peanut butter one.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, you have so many videos to edit. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, remember the seeds?
That's right. That's good. I can get a small one. Mm-hmm.
I have peanut butter in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I'm excited to have this again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, remember when we did this video? I had a Hello Kitty shirt on, so that's why.
That's right. She did.
That matched it.
It did match it. Yep.
This is definitely all I like.
Do you want to try this one too again? Okay. And then we can save the rest to eat. Because I think I liked most of what was in that box because of the coffee and everything that was available, right?
Except, look, there's no coffee. Not every snack was here. There's different snacks from the other
That's
video.
true. And yeah, this is kind of a mix, right?
But not. That would be cool if it had like a mix of all of our boxes. That would be so cool, y'all.
Yeah.
But let's open this. I don't think we had this before.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is called Fresh Berry. I can look it up real quick. Fresh Berry Peach Yogurt. This pink bite turns a snacking moment into romantic delight. Between peach cake sheets or yogurt cream and honey. Need an afternoon love boost. Pair it with coffee. Do you prefer softer taste? Enjoy it with milk. We might have had it.
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Here's another piece.
Okay.
It's like very soft.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
It's like whipped cream. It's
Mm-hmm.
good. It has like,
It's actually reminded me of clotted cream from UK.
I'm trying to try yogurt yet, and then we can try this.
Mm-hmm.
I honestly don't remember what these look like.
Honestly, they gave us like all the sweets in this one. Remember this one?
Oh yeah, it's like a coffee cake. Like
The Boston cream.
Yeah.
Donut.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
I think my taste buds changed, guys.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's Boston cream donut. It's not coffee. Mm-hmm.
You remember? This tastes good.
I want to save that.
Are you sure?
I don't want any more chocolate.
So do you want to save it at the very end?
We'll save it for another time
Okay, y'all.
because they saw us eat it already, and I don't want to eat any more
So, yeah,
chocolate.
we're not gonna eat this today, but
We'll eat it another time.
Yes.
Yeah, we have other stuff to eat anyway.
Yes, and we also have a lot more snacks to eat from that big thing of stuff from that last video. So we're going to be right back and go get it, and we're going to pick up everything.
Right, so we counted how much we received from the Seoulbox, and how much did we get?
We got like 18.
18, which is, I mean, that's a pretty good number. We usually get 20, but, you know, I'm glad with, you know, they promised 18 to 20 something.
Or was it like 19 because what about the face mask?
Probably. I don't know. But anyway, we bought a whole bunch of snacks from Seoulbox on TikTok. And this is just some extra stuff that we haven't tried yet that we're just going to go ahead and eat on camera here. And then we will go.
Yeah, this video's not going to be that long, y'all.
This is a multi-grain crispy roll.
We have like a third one. And
they gave us like 4 of them.
Yeah.
I have no idea what this is, but
it smells like interesting.
I like it.
It tastes like a rice cake.
It does. It tastes like she's exactly right. It's like a rice cake. I like that.
Why does it look like Japanese in my opinion?
It is.
Oh.
You like that? It's got brown rice, barley, beans, soy sauce. I mean, it's got lots of stuff in it. Grains. It's really good.
Okay, I want to try this one next. And then we can try that one last.
Okay.
Next. This looks like is this baby food?
I don't know.
Has
Just like
baby
kid
on it.
snack.
Oh, these are baby crackers. Strawberry.
Yeah, it smells like strawberry. Biscuits with strawberry in them.
Wow, we have a lot of strawberry today. We literally already had strawberry a lot today.
You want to try cheese crackers or nuts?
I want that one.
The strawberry one? No, I don't want more sweet right now.
Okay.
Or garlic green peas.
Ew. I want to try a nut.
Okay, I'm going to try these cheese crackers.
Oh, wait.
They're cheese crackers.
Oh.
They're really crumbly, but they look like that. They're called Pot Pho Adorable Cracker Sandwich. How is it?
Good. It's very good. That's like crumbly. I want one more. These are like those crackers that have cheese in the middle.
Tastes like pimento cheese in the middle. It's really good. It's in between a rich cracker. I don't know about you, but I really miss the pimento honey chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. They need to bring that back.
Can you try the nuts? Those are chicken.
That's a pecan. Did you show them what it was called? A Japanese nut mix. This looks like a pecan with some kind of
A little bit of spice on it.
yeah, it's got something on it. Seasoning, honey, sugar powder, garlic powder, spice.
When I tried to eat it, you guys saw, but I bited it, but I bited it and stuff, and then it fell on the ground.
Oh no! It's only 80 calories.
This might be a rice cake or something. I don't know what it is.
Pretty good.
Oh, there's directions on here. How to open it.
You want that?
Crackers. They're like crackers inside. Mmm.
They're like the crackers we had.
I like sugar on top.
I don't really like these.
These like a little bit vanilla.
I don't mind vanilla. I just don't like sugar. I'm starting to get a sugar rush right now. No, I'm in like a sugar rush as in I don't want any more sugar. You know what? You had a lot of cakes today. And then you're gonna...
Can I just try it?
It's called a layer cake. Lapis Parisis strawberry layer cake.
I will just try it. Okay.
Okay.
It's like full strawberry, y'all.
It's like a strawberry pound cake.
I thought you didn't want it.
I'll just try it real quick.
Mmm.
I guess it's good.
You love the muffin.
It's only 70 calories. It has low sodium though. And only 4 grams of sugar. So the carbs are very small on it. 9 grams of carbs plus the sugars. That's not bad. I mean, if you count if you don't count calories, like I do. All right, these are called garlic green peas.
I don't like peas and garlic.
I love garlic, which is good and bad at the same time.
I don't like peas. This is gonna be the bad day.
It's really
for
good.
me.
Actually, it's really good. They're kind of weird, actually. They're probably really low in everything bad, though.
I do not like peas. That is my good
Garlic is
favorite.
heart healthy, by the way. Just letting you know.
Okay, I'm gonna open this fresh pie.
It's called a French pie. From the top of it.
I said fresh. It's fresh.
It's a French pie, and it is from Korea. It's Korean.
Guys, it's breaking apart.
No.
Take the bottom.
Oh no! Eat it together because it's on pastry, puff pastry. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll let you finish eating. What are you laughing so loud about?
I can't stop laughing. My face is totally red. I'm literally crying my heart out.
And then you put laughing. They put laughing pills. I think they put laughing pills in the food because she's losing her marbles. She kept asking me, what does losing marbles sound like? That's losing your marbles.
I'm laughing my heart out.
Yep, my friends, that is what it is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more food-related unboxings and recipes. And be kind, be courageous, and be the best you. Bye!
Bye.